Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up your team subscription and how to add and remove team members. To get started, make sure you have already activated your own account. If you haven't done so, you can follow the tutorial link below showing you how to sign up for Frameright. Once your account is activated, go to the Settings menu and select Upgrade Subscription. From there, choose your preferred billing cycle and click on the Get Started button under the Team Subscription section. Now you can give your team a name. You can invite team members at this point or add them later. Next, confirm your payment method. The same method will be charged each time you add new team members. Once you're done, click Close. Next, you will see the Team Settings menu, where you can add team members. Each team member you add will be billed accordingly from your designated billing method. You don't need to worry about adding all of them at this point. It's possible to add and remove team members on the go. I'll show you how this works shortly. Once you close the Team Settings panel, you will find your new team in the Collection menu on the right-hand side. From there, you can start adding collections and crops which your team members will see accordingly. To manage your team settings at any point, simply go to your Settings menu and navigate to the Subscription Settings and Team Settings. Here you can add or remove admins and team members. As a team admin, you have the ability to make changes and add other admins. These additional admins will have the authority to add and remove users, crops, and collections. You can create collections for different departments or specific projects, depending on what suits your workflow best. To learn how to create collections, please take a look at the tutorial link below. The next tutorial is made for your team members that you are just about to invite to your new team space.